Whether you're into camping or hiking, a survival gear kit is a must-have, so check this one out from Amazon. It has all of these products and they conveniently fit in one small space, which is the case. So you're going to receive the case along with a survival knife. This is awesome whenever you need to cut anything, and a tactical pen, which can even be used to break windows and glass. There's also a bottle cap clip, so you can attach this to your belt and hold your water bottle wherever you go. There is the Flintstone and scraper, so you can start some fire, a compass so you never get lost, and a wire saw so you can cut down some trees. You're also going to receive a credit card knife. Now this is super handy because you can slip it in your wallet or always have it with you in your pocket. There's emergency rescue blankets, carabiners, some rope that comes inside, and a 4-in-1 survival bracelet with a small compass on it, a 7-in-1 whistle knife, and I definitely recommend you guys check all of this product out on Amazon. It is incredible and such a great survival gear set.